to now would you a friend is saying a tea challenge.
Why not have a location?
A tea challenge, you know, yeah. A hot today, yesterday
podcast
program, you know. Because this is going to happen every Friday. Anybody who have any point of view and you want to come and join Fridays, yeah, that's what we do right here. But we will change the location sometimes. Yes. So this is Banny West. Today we have Banny West in the house. Banny West, and we have Khenzy, Khenzy Davidson. And we have Keylex himself. Keylex no. Yeah.
Banny West.
No. So that's how it is. And today our topic is about like style in music. Why I'm saying style in music is sometimes people want to sound like somebody. You know, somebody want to sing like somebody want to sing like somebody, and my downfall no so we want to talk about it today. So all right, Banny.
Yeah.
Charlie, what's up?
I do.
You know how we do it, and you know today is Friday, and today is the first edition of our program. Yeah, so I want you to introduce yourself.
All right. My name is Original Banny West. You don't know.
Yeah.
Bad keke.
Yeah.
High life artist back up there.
Yes, sir.
Baby, yeah. Yeah, Charlie.
So, yeah. I chose Khenzy.
Yeah, I'm Khenzy Davidson. Why I know you?
Yes, sir. And
I'm Keylex. You can call me Henry. When you wanna go the normal how do they call them? The normal Christian way. My Christian name is Henry, but then my production name is Keylex. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So let's start from Keylex. Keylex,
yeah.
You record people. So like, let me see, you are a sound engineer. So this didn't have to start from you. People always talk say like, then somebody sound like somebody go like somebody, or way, or to not to say way, or to to say way, you know, as BBR, SC, like all the time. And meaning say, Obiaba has I'll catch out say maybe I want this song to go like Aqua Wadiano, or I want to sing like this guy before.
Oh yeah, there has been some times like that. Like someone comes to the studio and the person will be like, I want my beat to sound like this particular artist, and he'll go on to tell you that, can you tune my voice so that I sound like this particular person? And you know, I tell them no. There is no machine in this world that can make you sound like somebody. Yeah, so it's always better to sound original. If you know you don't like the way you sound, go and work on yourself. You understand? But if you like the way you sound, then I don't know why you should be wanting to sound like somebody. Yeah, so there has been some instances that people come in.
Last time, let me see Banny and my guy be bad in Chelsea's Banny air sounded to say Samini. Yes. What you say? I then Samini and I screw face.
But you see, sometimes it's just coincidental. It's not like maybe the person is trying to sound like it. You know, sometimes you can go somewhere and like the way somebody speaks, you say, this guy sounds like Keylex. But there is not, maybe the person doesn't even know me. You understand? Yeah, so sometimes it's just coincidental. Like people resemble people and people sound like people too. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Banny, like Obia Pisa was our question before. Say, why do you sound like somebody before?
Oh yeah. At point in time, that was the time when we started 7 years. My big studio, right? That was Best Brain.
Oh, Best Brain, yeah.
That was about like 2003. Now I'm shocked. It was a guy be featured on the track in Kimofori, and then the production in the area and the recording in the area. I like your choir. Samini came to the studio the next day. Nah, Ruru and mixed it, and I was like, who is this guy? And that time, you know, like Kimofori is not the because the mission. So like it was like, guy named a sounded to 7 prepare. So like I would have loved to keep the guy under my records or something like that, but you know. We'll be to me can you as something for his says what when the on your show so bet me I'm an ambassador. It happened. People listen to me and say that I sound like Samini. But honestly, that's my voice.
So so that very day the Kinofori way make you going under high grade.
No, yeah, it was Kinofori.
So how you go call that? It be sabotage or what?
Oh no. But then you know
He be in Jamaica.
that time you should not say.
Because maybe you did there like by now.
Oh no, nobody knows. Maybe like if he did there, so maybe something worse could have happened.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So it was something that just happened on that scene. Obiani.
The main reason why I make this topic, I say, oh, as I start music, now people was like, who too young to say bright? Some kind of bright book. Yeah. And one lawyer guy be, or a lawyer baby back, lawyer be back, like on owner or hold the book back, like or warm not yeah. So the guy first time or National Theatre, he coded. See. Guy I heard the year across say, hey, right, I can't wait there. Can you?
Yeah.
Can you? Because challenge, I said,
that challenge.
Nah, the NT Emma bright, man, yeah, so
what time?
What you see? And see, a chair answer now. Me to me, a stop it, a sound, yeah, no. But now, and you say, me follow, no. There be not me, yeah, my deal. But me who said, no, I have to, change to another level because as of right now, as he said, I'm sounding like somebody. Yes. And to me, the American say, and you say, oh, you sound like somebody. But if you sound like somebody, you're not going to make it. Because you're Kenya. You're Kenya. Kenya buy, not Kitani own style.
Yeah.
And I'm
and up to now, it's like we've not gotten someone who sounds like
never. Once at the end of the music, everybody look up to somebody.
Yes.
What you say, you need to get a mentor. Was only mentor, only music, no. Send your own person on the side. Or be up to be or look up to.
Yes.
A man, baby. Maybe the fan is a man made the other day. Met me as a Samini channel, no from Kaka, because now you'll be I look up to him the way he sings, the way he draw his bars and everything. Like vibe or the man, I love it.
Now you sure Bradford?
Yes.
Or Bradford since Oba and one will be
there be nobody sound like him.
Yes. But wait, is it bad to sound?
Oh no, the woman and say you can sound like somebody and make hit out of it, but come to think of it that immediately you trying to sound yourself as after making that hit, it will be very difficult for you to gain the same level in which you were having before.
Yeah.
Because what the idea about if you know if you know you of this thing, you have to make sure that you always be better than the thing that we always think of.
I shouldn't change it.
You shouldn't change the brand. The moment you change the brand, people will find it difficult to follow it. Because by the end of the day, not everybody who will be on social media to see that the brand has been changed. Do you understand? There are some people that know you of this.
Yeah.
So immediately you change from this to that, they will find it difficult. That has caused so many Ghanaian artists and so many international artists downfall.
Yeah, I mean, what I would say is right now, I won't say, at the end of two, say, sounding like somebody is not good, right?
Oh, yes,
if you are doing it intentionally,
that is not good.
Not good. There are people naturally, they sound like somebody.
Yes. Because even me, now, say hi life from here. But yes, if I sing, Obi say I'm sounding like somebody.
Yes.
Oh, no, on your high life artist.
Yeah.
The last time
reggae dancehall artist.
The last time we can hear, now we listen to some of one of old tracks. Then I was like, hey, Charlie, Banny voice there, they sing dancehall.
Yes.
So what's your take? Do you have plans on maybe channeling your?
No. I was a dancehall artist. Keylex. I was a dancehall artist.
So I mean, do you have any plans?
No.
Let me tell you, dancehall.
There's the highlight.
Have the dancehall.
The highlight that
for stop. Stubborn boys, the mountain.
Like I said, we shit too much.
So that's you don't go consider yourself.
Oh no, you can have a feel of this lavish rock in my songs, but the typical dancehall, as hard dancehall.
So yes, last time Kiddy win dancehall artist of the year. One of the songs. They catch it or something like it. What about you, guy?
Bless nobody.
Bless. Be like this song. Over me or something.
Bless.
So don't even win gospel song of the year before.
No, highlight
song of the year. So I mean, we have
my level.
Oh wow.
Even my level.
My level.
So only releasing gospel before.
Oh, that's not there.
Even Rascal couldn't buy Bokra with me dancehall artists.
But I don't know because I say the high life. But in Yamani Pano artist, reggae dancehall artist, no I command that her life song of the year. Does it make sense?
Oh no, but you know sometimes the song is different from the artist. If you are a dancehall artist, sometimes you go feel make different genre of music.
My level was saying,
I understand.
Highlight song of the year doesn't mean that it's not allowed to give you dancehall artist of the year. You are a dancehall artist, but there's a
so why then you give somebody a high life artist of the year, then give a high life song of the year to other
Khenzy
people?
Obiajin award according to the general.
Be surprised if maybe I don't get to win producer of the year award in my whole life.
Yeah.
But then I go feel win Avia gospel song of the year. Maybe I did do some gospel songs for you guys know.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden you go, yes, Keylex in songs they hate will be gospel.
Yeah.
So if I win gospel song of the year, you will shock. You don't feel shocked.
Listen. You're talking about the production. And
why did I say
I'm coming.
anything?
You let me talk. The production, you don't have a specific genre that you do. You record all songs.
Okay.
You understand?
The reason
so
I'm saying
maybe
that,
the category the people use
a singer.
Yeah.
So if I am not able to win an
You need a
award for
producer.
production,
Yeah.
then I go and win an award for singing a gospel song. You'll be shocked.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you'll be shocked.
You don't know that.
When I end there, I was if you say we go there.
The whole thing is our like the panels that they sit down about how they analyze the song. You don't know the things that they want. Yeah, to tell you that that is what we are giving out as a production or something.
But I know to me, I hear say before you go feel win artist of the year, overall artist of the year, you must be able to own your own show within the year of review. You must be able to get major hit songs. You must be able to headline big concerts. Yeah. Before you go feel qualify of winning the category of overall artist of the year. But if maybe you try your best, you have not been able to host your own show. They qualify. So I think one of those days Xylophone FM, now some reflex them they talk about. Say then get some things, then they put in, like if they don't want to put you into some categories, maybe artist of the year, high life artist of the year, then get some like factors that they put you involved if they qualify before they go.
Okay, so Keylex, this one a topic. I won't make you end everything. So what is the advice you are going to give to the artists?
In a nutshell, you see,
Like sounding like somebody.
sometimes sounding like somebody, you think that is the easier way out. But then fine, it has worked for some people. But then are you going to continue on that level? Yeah, because there was a time an issue popped up in GH here. This guy, Supremo.
Yeah.
You know, he was doing everything of his like that Lumba.
Yeah.
And there was a time that Lumba wanted to even sue him, blah 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 blah. Like, yeah, so you can ride on somebody's
So, but
Lumba
that guy, yeah, then he play even shows.
with that Lumba song.
Yes, that's why then that number want to sue him.
Okay, so since this topic they come in, how about the look-alike boys? Now then they use them. I mean, the people that they look out to the play shows. So,
But
because
what the problem is, say some of them they don't even look alike.
Yeah.
Watch I say.
Especially the guy who said look like medical. This guy completely doesn't look like him.
Oh, he is first now.
It doesn't look like him, man.
But
It's totally
I don't want
bullshit.
us to talk about this issue.
Yeah.
Charlie. Today it's about this, so let's finish about
Yeah,
this.
so just try to sound original. Like, you know, sometimes it's very difficult to find your own path in life, but then just try to go through that difficulty. Try to identify who you really are and the kind of music that suits you, the kind of genre that suits you, like the style of music that suits you. Don't go listening to people and be like, I want to be like this, I want to sound like this. No. To the extent maybe some people they try to have their looks like, oh, okay, I sound like this guy, so I want to also look like him. No, just try to divert, find your own path. Yeah, so that is the advice I have for people who want to sound like other people.
Yeah, right. Okay. Thank you, Keylex. Thank you. We will wrap up here, but as we say, every Friday, this is how we're gonna be. This is what we are going to do. Next week is gonna be a different topic. So, Charlie, let's all learn. Let's all do the right thing. So our Ghana music will grow. All right. So chill. One love to everybody. Charlie, let's all. We're done.